People doing burpees when they ride. People doing burpees here with me. Do you want to do them on the three? Yes, I'm talking about the burpees though. Said I'm gonna give it a good go. Talking about burpees. Hey, talking about burpees. Talking about burpees. Talking about burpees. Let's go. People doing burpees every day. People doing burpees their way. Some over there they doing one good pump. Others going to go and do two pumps. Others say they like the Navy SEAL. Other people want to keep it real. Other people want to jump on them. Yeah, we talking about them burpee skills. Talking about burpees. People doing burpees. Say them burpees. People doing burpees. I see people doing burpees while they hit their side. Till they going up and down, they say they wanna ride. People doing burpees over there, on their tire. Let me say, oh no, I'm not to go and retire. Burpees over there is burpees just to make you grind. Put a body workout and you get it every time. When you send that burpee, when it's burpee on your mind. When I say that burpee and it make you feel it fine, I say that burpee. People doing burpees. Send a burpee. When I see the burpee. Some people over there do Holy Grail. 1,000 burpee, what they tell. Maybe they will do it once or twice. People saying they do it feeling nice. Doing burpees up in the soul. Got the community in the throat. If you want to see that burpee too, you can go and vibe and do it too. Talking about burpees. People doing burpees. See them burpees. See them doing burpees. You know you can do all them burpees though. You do know how to do a push-up though. All you have to do is get on down and get back up, that's how you get it now. When they said the salad of the bird, burpees over there just put in work. Keep on grinding and we'll be so smooth. Burpee is just for like all the who. Talking about burpees. People doing burpees. Saying burpees. People doing burpees. Say I seen people doing Superman. While they doing burpees in the stand. Going down and going straight on up. And hitting feet up in the air like what? Doing burpees up with the band. They put their body down to the chest. Some doing burpees while they in the cold. Burpees over there when raining dough. Talking about burpees. People doing burpees. Saying a burpee. People doing burpees. Say if you want to go and do the burpee make you put it in the word. Burpee is just good for your soul. Make sure you just do it proper though. Do you know the people rock with you? Cause you know they got a burpee crew. The burpee crew is really no dang show. Because of all of them put in the work. Talk about burpee. People doing burpee. I'm saying a burpee. Talking about the burpee. I'm saying a burpee. People doing burpee. I'm saying a burpee. Do you do your burpee?